The SKYCENX VC60B Digital Insulation Resistance Tester is a versatile Megohmmeter offering 250 volts, 500 volts, 1000 volts test voltages for measuring insulation resistance, IR, from 0.1 megaohm to 2 gigaohm, plus minus 4% accuracy. It doubles as a multimeter, measuring AC voltage up to 750 volts, and continuity with a buzzer. Safety features include high-voltage, short-circuit alarms, and powered by batteries, 7.28 by 4.53 by 2.56, 2.5 kilograms. BTMETER, BT6688B Digital Megohmmeter. The BTMETER BT6688B measures 0.1 megohmmeter to 200 gigohmmeter at 100 volts, 250 volts, 500 volts, 2.5 gigavolts, plus 3 to 10% accuracy. It includes AC voltage measurement, 1 to 750 volts, includes 2-year warranty, 900-gram weight. KKnoon MH13 Digital Insulation Resistance Tester. The KKnoon MH13 tests 1 megaohms to 200 gigaohms at 250 volts to 2,500 volts, adjustable, and measures 10 to 600 volts AC/DC. Features include 2000 count LCD, includes low battery alerts and auto shutoff, 640 grams weight. Klein Tools ET600 Insulation Tester and Multimeter. The Klein Tools ET600 combines a Megohmmeter up to 4,000 megaohms at 125 volts, 250 volts, 500 volts, 1 kilovolt, and TRMS multimeter for AC/DC voltage, 1,000 volts, resistance, and continuity. The AIOMEST VC60B tests 0.1 megaohm to 2 gigaohm at 250 volts, 500 volts, 1 kilovolt, plus or minus 4% accuracy, and measures AC/DC voltage, 750 volts, 1000 volts, resistance, 2 kiloohm, and continuity, 580 grams, 176 by 116 by 63 millimeters. UNI-T UT501C Insulation Resistance Tester. The UNI-T UT501C measures 0 to 5 GHz at 100 volts to 1 kilovolts and AC voltage 30 to 750 volts, 50-60 Hz. Its auto-ranging features include high-voltage warnings and 10-minute auto shutoff. Compact and energy-efficient, 0.6 kilograms, red.